I'm a cross-stitcher and a fiber enthusiast. I started this business about 5 years ago when a friend told me, hey, you might like cross-stitching, so I made a pattern, started stitching, and hit the ground running. I understand what it's like to be a beginner, so I really like to teach people how to stitch from first stitch through frame. Traditional cross-stitching is usually one color, simple letters, floral embellishments. I'm really inspired by nature and unexpected color combinations, so we're gonna go ahead and flip that up a little bit and make you something super fun and colorful today. I'm gonna walk you through all of the steps so that by the end of this workshop, you become an avid cross-stitcher and fall in love with the craft. I had so much fun creating this kit, and I can't wait to share this workshop with you. Tune in.